I get in 1 year 10K.
You can have the GoPro. You over me, man?
This update is fucking shit, I know.
Thank you. Hey, good. Happy. Hey guys, what's up? Back to another video with UberEats. Just took 2 orders. I started the lunchtime around 12 o'clock and I didn't record at that time. So right now I started at 7 p.m. close to 8 actually. So might do a couple deliveries and go back home.
Okay, so got the if you go, but like this is really nice.
Oh, I've already been given the text. Oh, goodness, yeah. I think what I'm going to do is
Hello.
Sorry, what's the suite number, please?
It is 180. 180 universe and
3903.
yeah, 3903.
All right, you are all good to go.
Thank you. We did it. Hi. So UberEats pickup? Rebecca.
Oh, I remember you. You're making the GoPro one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Take care. Oh, they can't remember me. They can't have the GoPro. All right. This is just one order, right? But robots. Sorry? Yeah. How are you? Good. Just give me a second.
Yeah, no problem.
So
Save you a bit of time walking up.
yeah, I have 2 orders, so I just want to double check which one it is. This one, it is the 5B. Yes. There you go. This is yours.
Thank you very much. Have a
No
good one.
problem. You too. Take care.
How is Uber, bro? Busy?
Tonight, not as much.
Yeah, you're not busy. Winter
Yeah.
was good, but now you did in the winter or no? You did Uber on the
Yeah,
winter?
yeah.
The winter was
Winter
so good,
always, yeah.
But now, you know, the tip is cutting, you know? Now the tip is included with the trips. Now Uber is selling our tip.
Yeah,
You know?
I know. And plus, a lot of people rather want to go and pick up their own
Yeah.
food, and the weather's
And
getting
now,
better.
you know, actually, it's like too much drivers and not too busy. The weather is good, people going out, and rich people is out of Toronto, the vacation. Now, actually, I'm doing Uber too, Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday, I'm doing every day Monday to Friday.
And how is it this week?
This week?
Yeah, this
was good.
weekend.
Every day I'm doing like right now, like 30, 35 trips a day.
30, 35? Oh,
In the
that's-
winter was 40, 45 to 50 a day, every day. And now 30, 35.
And
I'm starting 10 a.m. to 9 p.m., 8 p.m. to not to it.
and you drive or just
No,
biking?
with a bicycle, I have a
Bicycle.
bike.
Oh,
Bicycle
nice,
plus.
nice.
Yeah.
You do it around here, right?
Sorry?
Are you around here? Like,
Now I'm living around Eglinton and Dundas.
oh,
Every
okay.
day I came to Toronto, it's downtown. I started in downtown area. I'm working all area. East Yard, downtown.
Excuse me. I was just gonna ask you. Excuse. Do you mind this one?
And Etobicoke, North York, everywhere.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And my rating is so good. I'm actually my I have a
Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow.
I gave in 1 year 10K.
You're over me, man. Like I've been doing like for almost 3 years, and
You did 3 years?
Yeah.
I did. I since I delivered it like since February 21.
oh, that's sick. That's
You did
crazy.
10K?
No, it's like 6 with Doordash and Cornershop.
I don't have a Doordash or Escape. I have only Uber.
Oh, okay.
Uber is good for me. I
Yeah.
don't know about Doordash or Escape. I don't know how is it. But Uber is good. Was winter is so good. Every day more than 500.
Yeah.
Winter. Really good. But now, you know, we are really slow.
Yeah, yeah.
Because this, when Uber update, this update is fucking shit. I don't know. This update, you know, was the tip was is different. You know now, tip is included with the fare, you know. And we receive like a $22, like you can see on the fare like a $20, and you drop it. When you drop it, you can see like you receive like a $9 or $10. Sometimes you receive the tips, the customer, and sometimes you didn't.
Sometimes,
receive,
yeah.
you know?
It's weird. It's really
Yeah,
tricky.
yeah.
All right, man. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Joey,
Michael.
Michael, nice to see you, bro.
Nice to see you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Have a good night.
You too. Hello. Hi. I got food delivery. Sorry? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh.
That's 4, yeah?
Yeah, 4. Thank you. Thank you. You too.